Ay, sister mo lang.
That's my younger sister.
Jen daughter, no? Jen sister.
Our youngest. Happy, happy, happy. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Clap, clap.
Jen's daughter.
You see, I have a lot of charcoal in my arm. I just finished cooking. And now I will take a bath.
Ano akong brown nga chinelas?
Chinelas eh.
Sinelas.
Ito.
Kaya ako tong papitlan.
It's diba.
Di man to kay kuan ko magpitlan raman ta. That's our youngest sister.
Nung laging nang kaya ngayon loan ang diskansuhan ha. Bantay lang kag cellphone na pagkaroon ha. Di pa iluan ako na mo din ha. Iluin na dia.
Si ate lagi daw.
Ate kay naligo na lang gud siya kay kuan.
Sugo siya.
Sugo siya. Dali lang diha ay pag kuan. Dali lang ay toyo aron din ang kuan. Yung ilahay toyo. Malag gusto pagbabaw gani. Nipos na ko. Oh, naiagas. Pagas mo ng mother god.
Good, oh. Oh. It's a very cute. Iya water na. Good news. That's why we're happy. We're not going to Bukid to get some water. Because we have already water. That's why we're so happy.
Dong! Sampo dong.
Happy, happy. Happy, happy. We're happy because we have water already. Yeah, that's a very good news. We can do our laundry, we can take a bath, and
You can draw?
we can do our laundry. Do mong good.
You can draw.
Mang namatay lagi ang bulak ni Papang dia. Oh. Ipaduol gali niya para mabubuan. I think it's 2 hours.
Haman.
Yung bulak. Itong butterfly. Butterfly nga bulak. I think it's 2 hours. Ha? Ito kay kuan? Ito sa ubos ba? Hapon na, nahapi agas. Hoy! Na. It's almost. We're not going to Bukid na. I can take a bath na. And one. Ano sure kayo sa feeling na mag-live na nga, tag 1,000 viewers. So, feeling ko lang.
Yun, para na yun. I was pulling yun.
Ano yun? Kita ka lang.
Kita.
Makita. Wisi-wisi. Ano siya nga. Make sure that girl moves out of the camera.